In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make bulk videos from Grok Imagine. If you need a lot of short clips for social feeds, ads, or concept previews, the Imagine workspace in Grok makes the process fast and consistent. We'll build a solid prompt foundation, move through the interface confidently, and keep a steady rhythm so you can scale output without losing quality. Start by opening Grok in your browser and heading to the Imagine section from the left sidebar. This is your creative hub where you can generate both images and videos and fine-tune the key settings that control the look and feel. Before typing anything, prepare a prompt batch list. Use a simple notes app or a spreadsheet with one clean prompt per line. Number them so you can track progress and keep formatting consistent. Place the most important descriptors first, separate ideas with commas, and avoid filler words. This setup lets you paste, submit, and move efficiently through your list with fewer mistakes. To maintain a cohesive style across dozens of outputs, stick to a consistent prompt template. Choose a clear visual theme, say cyberpunk, and keep the structure fixed while swapping subjects or locations. A dependable template includes style, environment, mood, motion, and any camera language you care about. Consistency is what makes bulk content feel art-directed rather than random. Now, in the field labeled Type to Imagine, paste your first prompt. For example, Cyberpunk City Rain, Cinematic Slow Camera Pan. Keep phrasing concise and decisive. That helps the model prioritize what matters. You can always refine language once you see initial results. You'll notice there's an image mode. Click Image if you want a quick still to verify composition, color, lighting, and subject before committing to a video render. This quick check can save time by catching mismatches early. For bulk video creation, switch to video. Choose your resolution, duration, and aspect ratio. Higher resolutions look crisper but take longer. 1080p is a practical default. Duration affects render time and file size. Keep it aligned with your platform needs. For aspect ratio, 16.9 works for landscape, 9:16 is ideal for vertical shorts, and 1.1 is a versatile square. When your settings look right, click Submit or press Enter. While it renders, copy the next prompt from your batch list so you can queue your work smoothly. Staying in a paste-tune submit rhythm is the key to true scale. Once results appear, create more variations directly from the output. Variations are perfect for quick A/B tests. Tweak intensity of rain, camera speed, lighting, or background density while preserving your core template. Keep the strongest takes, move to the next prompt in your list, and repeat to build a polished, high-volume library with Grok Imagine.